How to remove top searches from Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove top searches from Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove top searches from Netflix, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, let's say you launch a Netflix application here. After you launch a Netflix app, you basically go ahead and then sign into your account. The problem here is that if I just tap the search icon from the top right, here you'll be able to see this little option over here known as top searches. Now what is this top searches? Now think about like YouTube, right? You have YouTube and then you have the explore section which have all of the trending videos on YouTube, and that basically is the trending section. Now Netflix top searches is also pretty much the same. These are simply some of the top searches made by the people around your locality or region, and that is why this is actually not removable. Only Netflix has the option to remove this, or until and unless someone comes and search another topic. Otherwise you will not be able to go ahead and then remove your top searches. This is just like the top searches that people around your region are actually making, and this is actually not your search history. So keeping this thing in mind, hope this video helped you clear your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.